Hi techies, Fluffy here. Sony is shaping the future of entertainment, and we got an exclusive first look. From groundbreaking Bravia TVs to next-gen digital imaging and powerful audio solutions, Sony's 2025 product lineup is set to redefine how we experience sound and visuals. Stick around as we dive into the latest innovations from this industry leader only here at techbeatph.com.
Morning, dear my best friend from the media and the influencers. Yes, we are really happy to welcome all of you to Sony 2025 new product lineup verification training. Yeah, so this is exclusive VIP event. So I believe you are already excited, but so before checking the product, please let me briefly share our company's philosophy first. So here is our company philosophy and the purpose. As an entire Sony Group and Sony Philippines, build the world with emotion through the power of creativity and technology. Sony strive to create candle and deliver it to the world. Candle is Japanese term, which means move emotion. So we are going to delivering the candle to the world, and through these kind of activities, we are going to be the brand chosen by next generation creators.
We are so excited to deliver the 2005 lineup of products to deliver the best candle experience to you. Through the years, Sony has always been a leader in innovation. From the Walkman to PlayStation to Bravia TV to headphones to camera and speakers. Sony has been shaping how we enjoy music, dance, travel, movies, and gaming. Sony delivers excitement, passion, and joy through its technology. As our MD and President mentioned, we are not only an electronic company, we are a total creative entertainment company. Compared to our competitors, only Sony has the expertise to deliver authentic cinema experience to you from lens to living room. Because we have a technology integrated in cameras that produces great cinematic films, we have deeper understanding of the true filmmaker intent, and we can deliver that authenticity to your home. Today, you guys are our special audiences, and you will be one of the first to experience the first time. Music is one of the important elements in entertainment. At Sony, we pride ourselves on connecting creators and artists with their music-loving fans. The first time I arrived in the Philippines in 2023 from an overseas assignment, I immediately noticed how Filipinos love karaoke and dancing. So I believe this campaign is perfect for this market here in the Philippines. For the music campaign covers our speakers and headphones categories. Our total audio category aims to create authentic music experiences for you.
LED TV. So this will be our entry mini LED, and this will be our step up mini LED models for 2025. This is a new TV, new series for Sony Philippines FY because we have X90L full array LED. One of our premium soundbars. Bravia 5, this is a center. Finally, Sony has 98-inch TV model na. So if you want, you can sit here para ma-experience nyo yung paano ba yung home theater talaga. If you have this much this big TV, 98-inch, and with your Sony soundbar, so 360 surround sound. So just demonstrate to you, we'll show you a movie clip para ma-experience nyo how immersive really having that Sony TV soundbar and optional speakers sa back.
If you're passionate about the latest in tech, filmmaking, gaming, and digital innovation, this is the place to be. Help us reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year and be part of a growing community that dives deep into the future of technology. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Join the conversation, share your thoughts, and let's build something amazing together. Let's make this milestone happen. Once again, this is Fluffy. See you next time.